Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic. Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Hope everybody's doing good out there. With a big up on yourself. Yes, people. So today I have some video for sure. Now I have two videos with Spice. I have one with Koffee. Right? Because Koffee did a commercial for Malta. I like it, people. You know what I mean? It's popping. So I want to show you that too. Although you soon see it on TV if you don't already see it. You see me? But Spice now, you know what I mean? Spice, I have fun. Two videos I have with Spice, a fun video them, right? The first one I go show you a ding dong a teacher her to do the dance. And the dance was made by Beenieman daughter, Disha Ravers. So we all know Disha, right? So the dance name Goe. So Spice says she take over a dance from Disha or a fear dance now. You see me? So I go show you that video there with Spice. Enjoy herself, she and ding dong. And then the next one, she tell her road manager, which is a male, say him need for go look for you know what I'm saying of that. You see what I say? Here goes the video with ding dong. Here goes.
But Ding go teach me one new dance named Gwe. So here where you see Disha Davis, you ain't a problem.
Right now.
But they just pack up and just, me don't know where you going on. But on my dance now, me take it over. So you have to go move over somewhere you can't stay from me.
So when I think people, Spice have it pan lock, you see what I say? Personally, me think she got it. You see what I say? But who don't tell me for no opinion in the comment section. Spice got the moves or she done. You see me? So the next video now, people, Spice in the studio and she tell her road manager say him need to go find a man for putting her video. I wouldn't know say that now go well, cause the man, you know what I mean, the man I say now go look for the man. So I go play the video for you, know, cause you know what I mean, it's funny. You know, Spice, I basically troll him. So, I go play the video for you, and then, you know, I go tell you what she said about it. All right, so here goes the video.
I mean, hey John, you say never does that's a road management go. You say your road manager have a female, and that's how it go. Me tell us I want one nice thick muscle man. You have to go to a go look a nice man for me to come in at the video. So me I go, so what kind of road manager this? You say you want road manager female, and you are my road manager. So but I want a man for coming at my video. Adrian, you're my road manager. Me have to shoot a video in 24 hours. I need a nice, thick, sexy muscle man for coming at my video.
So, for the man and same sex.
Then you have to go pick the man for me. Practice! Where's the engineer?
Man saying quit, yeah.
Hey, Spice, not easy, you know, people. Everybody have a friend like Spice. You know, them people that would just like tease you and just like, you know what I mean, mouth you and call your nickname and them weird. So I say, Spice come like one of them people to me, you know what I mean? But, you know, it's all fun, so big up Spice and our team, right? But in the caption now, people, this is what she said. She said, my road manager at Team Blast is fired. I need a man who knows what it will take to be a road manager for a female artist. Everything him take for joke. Someone please tell me why Adrian can't do this one simple task for me. And she tagged somebody named One Frankie Music and say, you need to sit down with this man and explain he will need to go buy even makeup if needs be, right? So I know say I'm mostly female up on the channel still, or probably I go see that video here because, you know, a Spice me talk about. But what do you think about this? Like, you know what I mean? On a serious note though, if a male manager female artist, where does the line go for him? Like, him supposed to go all out and get every single thing, you know what I mean? Me talk about where a female are gonna need, you know what I mean? Female based standpoint. So like, you know, like she has said, makeup, but nothing wrong with getting no makeup, so I don't see a problem in that though. However, though, the topic where she did that discuss say him figure get a muscle man for the video and him fi choose the man. We don't know still. What do you think about it? Tell me in the comment section. You see what I say? So big up Spice and big up our team. You know what I mean? We like to see when time she post some fun videos like this. You know what I mean? So we just there I look for more. Right? So people, let's move on right now and talk about Koffee. So Koffee just a land deal after deal, you know what I mean, endeavors after endeavors, you know, she just dropped the remix with Buju for the Pressure song, and may I tell you, it's banging people, I like it. You see me, she just had a deal with MasterCard for be the ambassador for the Caribbean, and you know what I mean, that's popping. She dep on FIFA 21 I come up up on the soundtrack. She had do it, people, and then now I see this, boom, this is an advertisement for Malta, you know? I mean, I tell you, people, she deal with it good. So let's take a look at Koffee's new advertisement for Malta. Here goes.
Full of flavor, no if or no maybe. Malta, my crave on a daily. I couldn't ask for a better cold glass. Koffee can't pass from this. My Malta, my pocket with me. You know me got it with me. I feel have a buckle for myself. Yesterday the shop locked, so today me come back. 2 new flavors on the shelf. Me say me see it and me grab it and me love it and buy it. My mommy take it and she pull it and dry it. She say Malta in the morning, afternoon or night, and she finish it, she don't need no help.
Drink them all.
Coffee or vanilla, the Jamaican original. Have it with my lunch or my dinner. Ginseng with the ginger, make you settle and you simmer. Good for the baller and the singer. Make you feel good and it tastes real nice. Better when cool, so we put it on ice. Take a sip once, if you take a sip twice. Mother full of flavor for life. Mother full of flavor for life.
You know, people, the way how Koffee do this, it come like is a song, like she have to go perform this our next show, right? But you know, I joke me make do, but it sound good, people. It sound like a Koffee song. That's the thing what I like about it, you know, even though it's an commercial, you know, it still sound like a Koffee song. You have the full Koffee vibes there, and you know, the graphics with it, the visuals with it, I mean, you know, just make it all the better. So big up Malta and big up Koffee. I love to see that, you know what I mean? And we know say Koffee are going to do more great things. She get a lot done already at her young age, and she does have more to do. You know what I mean? So big up Koffee on that. You know, people, so that brings us to the end of today's video, people. So if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Really, really appreciate you upon that. Right? So everybody, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful night or day or whatever time it is, wherever you are. Big up on yourself. I'm out.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.